You need to check this deal out. It's a video stock library that's on a lifetime deal. That means that you pay once, use it forever. Now, it's not common to find a video stock library on a lifetime deal. So definitely stick around for this video and let's go check it out. All right, it's time to check out Unlimvideos, which is on a lifetime deal right now, and it starts off at $59 for the lifetime deal. Now, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee that if you don't like this, if you don't like the library available, you can go ahead and refund it in those 60 days. Now, let me show you what you're going to get for that lifetime deal before we actually check out that library. So things you need to consider is that obviously you get lifetime access to Unlimvideos and you get 10 downloads per day. So that means every single day for lifetime, you can download 10 of these daily. The reason they limit you on this is because they don't want you to abuse the system. I mean, there's people who download these and upload them somewhere else just to abuse the system. And things you need to consider is you get extended use, personal and commercial. So you can go ahead and use this for your website, your client website and all that. It's no problem because you get commercial usage, copyright protection, and advanced search filtering feature. Okay, now let's go actually check out the library. So this is my Unlimvideos account and you can go ahead and download videos from here. If you need to search a topic like I'm going to do right now, let's go check something, what's available in Mexico with that keyword. And you're going to find all these videos. There's videos in 4K, HD, and it depends what you choose. For example, if I want to see this one of a parrot, okay, this one's only available in HD. So no, I don't want that. Let's find one that's in 4K. Okay, here we go. This one is in 4K. It's a mariachi with a guitar. It's 4K available and HD. If I go ahead and download this, it's going to deduct from my daily 10 limit. Okay, there's information here so you can see what you're going to find. You can check out the keywords, and if I click on these keywords, I can find similar content based on those keywords or tags as they call them. And you also get some similar videos right here that you can check out. Now, in the search feature is where the magic actually happens for Unlimvideos. You get resolution. So if you just want to search for 4K, go ahead and select it. Depending on people, do you want people? No, I want one person, two person, or 3+ people inside of the video. So go ahead and select this as a filter. Exclude the keywords in case you're getting kind of results that you don't want. You can go ahead and filter those out. So it's a really good idea. And by username. So if you know someone who has a username that you like, for example, I don't know, this one is from Hydrobiolog. So you can filter by him with his username right here and save search on. So it kind of filters out images, videos that you might not want to see. Okay, so that's for the library. And once you download these, you can go ahead and re-download them later on. So for example, if I want to check this one out, I go ahead and download it. Here we go. Here's the prompt and download is going to start right here. So this one is 482 megabytes. So it's a short video, but with a large size because it's 4K. Now, if you want to go ahead and re-download this or find the downloads that you downloaded previously, go to download history. So if I go right here, I select videos. I have the videos that I can download again that I've previously downloaded. So I can find them later on in case I'm on another computer, or if I want to go somewhere else and I need access to that video and I don't want to go search for it again, I can go ahead and download from here. But basically that is Unlimvideos. So if you search through these, check out the library, see if you like it or not. And there's, like I said, a 60-day money-back guarantee. So you have 2 full months to check it out for yourself if it's worth the $59. But if you ask me, it's definitely worth it, especially if you're making video content and you're going to need these videos for commercial use. It's a must get, right? But if you don't use videos a lot and you don't do commercial production, then you can definitely skip on this 59 bucks. But there you go. If you want to check it out, the link we provided in the description, and that's a wrap.